Welcome to today's daily analysis. This is where I'll be analyzing not just gold, I'll be analyzing a few other major pairs, and I'll be analyzing only the things that I will be personally trading. And if you want to see the results of my trading or how I trade and what I do to trade, do subscribe and do follow do join my trading community where I'll be sharing all my stuff. All right, now starting off, let's go to see what's up with the news. So today is a Monday market, November 10th, and you can see we have no major news. Actually, if you see this week, it is one of the most cleanest trading week apart from Tuesday, because Tuesday we have Euro, CAD and USD holiday. So most likely I won't be trading on Tuesday. There's a good chance I won't be trading on Tuesday. But today, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, very clean trading days. And so this is an order block that I drew from way before, like almost for 2 weeks now. For like a week and a half, you can see around like this 29/30th, I have drawn the order block and it has tapped today. So we'll have to wait and see what can we expect. I will dive down into the 15 minutes, look for a change of character and break of structure, try to enter on the retest. So Asia is yet to conclude. We still got few minutes left, but so that will be the major zone for today. So I will be skipping this. So I'll be skipping all that today. So we'll be focusing just on sells on gold. All right. Let me quickly restart. It's a bit laggy. You can see the lag. All right. Now moving on to EURUSD. So EURUSD, I have two setup ideas. That's because if you see on the big picture, we're on the buy. All right, but if you see small picture, like let's just say from right here, you can see we're on the sell. So we can see a continuation from this side because there is the previous week's high. This yellow line is the previous week's high. So we can see the previous week's high and we can see price coming back into this region and try to go down. And even if we draw the fib for this swing, just for this swing alone, you can see that this comes into the golden region, right? So this is going to be a pretty decent trade. And also, if price does not come up to this region, I think we can see a very quick buy setup, because just because price has made a change of character, right? Price has made a change of character and also made a pretty decent break of structure on your 1 hour. So if you come down into your 1 hour, we can see price has made a change of character and a break of structure on this side. So this would be the order block I will be trying for a buy setup, purely because you can see the swing, it's just perfect. It's like 2 swing, and if price comes back into this region, going for the liquidity grab of my full TP of the previous week's high and previous day's high. So this would be my short term, but on a long term, I think 4 hours sell OB would be the best outcome. Also, if this is the turning point, we can see all the liquidity there is to grab. You can see this, you can see all this, you can see this, you can see this swing. There's all this liquidity to be grabbed if this was the turning point, or this swing is the turning point for EURUSD to keep going up. And we can also, like, another thing to note is that price has swept previous month's high. So price has swept, previous month's low. So price has swept previous month's low and gone down. All right, so this could be considered as the sweep. So we can still see on a short term, I feel like we can still see a buy before it comes all the way into the 4 hours, and then I try to go for sells. So this would be my EURUSD setup for the day. Now coming on to GBPUSD, nothing is structurally very clear right now. We have just got our change of character on your 1 hour, so we'll have to wait for today's price action, maybe today's and tomorrow's price action, and then we'll see. Euro USD JPY also, it's a bit confusing for me. It is a very confusing for me, because so Euro USD is a very clean buy, right? But we can see that price has swept the previous month's high and then just gone down straight up, right? Now gone down straight down. Right now, if you go into your 4 hours, you can see that we have a 4 hours order block around this region, but it has been tapped twice and it's going up. Let's see on the 15. No, I'm skipping USD JPY for the day. Okay, coming into NZD USD. So NZD USD is something like, we can see this swing. 1 second. Interesting. 50% comes here. If I take just the previous week, Feb. Okay, we will skip this order block. We'll skip this order block. Okay, so the idea for this is that we're trying to catch a continuation of your NZD USD going down. All right, so now when we go into that, we can see that on your 1 hour, let's go into your 1 hour. We can see it's the very classic 2 swing system, right? It was made a 2 swing, like 1 1 and then 2, and I like price to come back here and then go down. So this is my very, I really do admire and really like this sort of a setup. So that is what I will be going on in NZD USD, given that we have the day before's high sitting, resting right here. You can see equal highs. You can see the beautiful inducement for this order block, this particular order block. So this is what I would be aiming for today. Coming into USD Chef hasn't served me right over the last week. Actually, it was my A plus setup for last week, and I got an SL. But yeah, seeing that we are on the buy, right? So we were on the sell and we have shifted, we put in a change of character, and now we're on to the break of structure, and we're like keep on moving higher now. So we're moving higher, so I'm trying to catch the buys. So if you go down into your 1 hour, so there's 2 major places that I would particularly enter from. Okay, so there is one so there's this 15 minutes. So there's 2 15-minute zones. There is 2 15-minute zones that I would like to target a buy from. I've already drawn the Fibonacci on the side, never mind. So this will come onto the 50%, which is valid, but this seems to be a better one. But again, this order block seems to be already induced, like the fair value seems to be induced. But if you go onto your 1 hour, you go onto the 5 minutes, you can see that the fair value gap is still there, right? So we'll have to wait and see. So on the 15 it looks pretty good. So yeah, we'll wait and see to enter from this region for USD chef. All right, coming on to USD CAD. So USD CAD, we are on the buy. All right, so we are on the buy. There is two particular regions that I would like to enter from. All right, let me take a flip from this. Okay, this order block is it is valid, but this one is in the beginning. All right, so if you see, I've already done the analysis before I am making this video, right? But now when we talk about this, right, so on the, we can try for a buy from here, but the A++ setup would come from this 4-hour zone right here, sitting right here, just because we have previous week's low as inducement. And also, if you can see this huge purple line that I've drawn, you can see this level seems to be a very good support / resistance level, right? So you can see when price tried to come here, it has acted as a very good resistance. When it broke out, you can see that it has become a support level for price, and you can see price has supported, broken, and then from here only we can see the move. So this, just from pure eyesight and pure price action, you can see that this seems to be a very good and better zone to enter from. But if price doesn't want to come back into this region, you can try for a confirmation with your 15 minutes on this region, right? Now coming on to AUUSD. So AUUSD, I've been waiting for this OB on the 1 hour for a long time. I've been waiting for this OB on the 1 hour for a long time, for like since last week actually. So now only we are seeing price come back into the zone, but this is the most extreme 1 hour zone. All right, so this is the most extreme 1 hour zone. So I would like to target somewhere in this 4 hours region, and we'll have to see, right? So 4 hours looks very good, just because of the beautiful inducement around this region, right? So price has just grabbed it, and that's why you can see the very impulsive move up, and you can see the resting liquidity looks amazing. This resting liquidity looks amazing, and we have the previous week's low. So I am going to try for some sells around this region. And while this 1 hour order block would be my most ideal and best zone to enter from. And yeah, that is it. We are done for the day. I hope you guys took your screenshots. I hope you guys understood what how and where I have marked my zones, and I hope you guys have a profitable trading week ahead. And if you guys do have any other trade ideas, do drop it in the comment section below. I will make sure to reply to each and every single one of you guys. And if you do like this video, do like the video. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And do drop a comment. That also helps with the YouTube algorithm and for my reach and for more people just like you to get this content. All right, and yeah, that is it from me. I'll catch you in the next one.